I spent over 4,000 testing AI video enhancers and almost gave up on fixing my old videos completely. Because most of them didn't fix my old videos, but they just made the file bigger. And then I found this, and the result surprised me. If you make content, you have a lot of old videos that are unusable, blurry, and low quality, not good enough to post anymore. And this is why I started my investigation on AI video enhancers. During the testing, I found a lot of tools that claim fake promises with big price tag. But then finally I found one tool that actually delivered real watchable results. In this video, I will show you the exact before and after footage. No hype, no sponsor video, just what actually happened when I used it. If it works, you will see it. If it doesn't, I will tell you that too. So let's start. This is the dashboard of Hitpa Bigpia, and on the left side you can see here are multiple options: AI video enhancer, video generator, AI color, video beauty, video repair, AI toolbox. Today I am going to enhance my old video, so I would like to choose video enhancer option. Simply click here, and inside that option you can see here are multiple sub options like HD video enhancement, old video enhancement, face close-up. So as I am going to sharpen my old videos, then simply click old video enhancer. In the middle of this section, you can see the drag and drop video section where you can browse your video, or you can simply import via link. Simply click here, choose a video. Now on the right side, you can see there are multiple models, and in each model there is a preview. Actually you can see what you are going to change. So as this is a portrait model, I would like to go with the portrait model options. Simply click portrait generation model, click sharpen, and in the below you can see the export setting. I would like to go with the 4K, FPS would be 60, format MP4, and save. This is the option you can choose according to your preference. Okay, so now I would like to preview the output before the final exportation. Simply click preview option. Now it is rendering, and in the below you can see there are 44 frames, and this is the original version, and now this is the upscaling version. Here you can see the processing section. Now you can see the changes. The previous video, the old video, looks blurry and the faces doesn't feel clean. But the upscaling video looks very clean, and it has very detailing on each face. Both the faces are very clean. Even the hair of this girl looks very sharp. So now if you are happy with the output, then you can simply export from here. Here are two options like cloud export and export. Export, this is the manual section and it takes some time, but the cloud export is very fast. And if you click here, then it will ask you 5 credits to do the exportation from cloud export. So simply click here to use this feature, and it makes your export processing very fast. So now I would like to test AI color. Simply click here. Here are multiple options also like AI colorist, HDR to HDR. If you have low quality, low light video, then you can simply enhance those video with the help of this feature. I have a black and white video and I want to colorize that video. So simply click here. This is a black and white video. If I play this video, like open, okay. As you can see, this is a black and white video and I want to colorize this video. So simply click here, import the video. Now I want to colorize this video with the help of color redrawing. Simply click enhance. In the export setting, I would like to go with 4K FPS would be 60, format MP4 and save this location. And I want to preview this. Simply click the preview option. The pop-up will appear. Simply click here, or you can simply export directly from here. But I would like to see a preview. Now it is processing. Let's see how much time it will take. The 20% is already done. So now the processing is completed, and simply click the completed option, and here you can see the process video. Simply click here. See, the video color is changed dramatically. the previous video looks black and white and now the color is changed significantly. So in this way we can easily make your black and white video into a colorized one. So we have tested the video enhancer option and the AI color option. Now on the video beauty, and this is very straightforward, and this feature can help you to make your character. So you can use this feature also to make your character more prominent or more natural. Now the video repair section. Here is some preview. You can see the preview section like video stuttering, video no sound, video correction, flickering video, unplayable video, or video frame drops. You can repair your video with the help of this option. The next is AI toolbox. Here are some options also. You can easily background remover, video stabilizer. You can simply choose from here. Okay, so this is how you can easily enhance your video with the help of this new tool, and it's very effective, and I have used this feature and I have used this tool for a long time, and it's very easy to use and very effective. So that's it for today, and if you like this video, do subscribe this channel to get more informative content about AI tools. We'll see you in the next video.